Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm making 5 easy Christmas DIY gifts that I'm sure everyone will love to own, love to gift to their friends and family. They are really beautiful, easy to make. So let's start with project number 1, and all of them are made with Cricut Joy. So for the first project, I'm taking Joy to the World a sign from Cricut Design Space, and I'm cutting it on holographic iron on. Next I'm going to weed the design, and I'm going to place it on a small kids t-shirt. This is my daughter's new t-shirt. I got it for $5 from Decathlon Singapore, and here I'm going to use my easy press mini, and I'm just going to press a little bit on both the sides so that the surface is easy to work upon. Now to find the center of the t-shirt, I'm just going to fold it in a manner so that the edges can be found out. I'm just folding it like so and making creases. I'm also going to fold from the shoulder portion and also near the bust portion so that I get a center spot, and there I'm going to put my design. Next I'm going to remove the backing of the holographic vinyl. This is an iron on, and I'm just weeding out the base, that is the back portion, and the one with the transparent and all the letters, I'm going to place it on the t-shirt, and then I'm going to use the easy mini press to make the design. Now I'm going to place my design on the t-shirt, just finding the center spot where I marked it, and I'm going to lightly press the design onto my t-shirt, and then with the mini press for 25 seconds I'm going to press on the design on either sides of the t-shirt and slowly take off the transparent sheet. The design is nicely placed at the center where I wanted it to be, and you can see how gorgeous the Joy to the World looks. This is the first DIY gift idea under $5, and I'm sure anyone would love to have a gift like this. Today I'm participating in the 5 under 5 DIY challenge, and the theme is last minute gift ideas for Christmas. The host for this challenge is Missi from Crafty, Cove DIY, and Emily from Farm Charm Chic. And the guest host for today is Elizabeth from Southern Gilmore Girls. All three of them are superb creators, and I have linked their channels in the description box below. Do check them out. I'm sure you're going to love them. And also the playlist for all the other creators who are creating Christmas gift ideas at the last minute. Moving on to DIY number 2. Here I have taken another Cricut project. I'm going to make a mug, and for that I have created some snowflake patterns on Cricut Design Space, and I weeded it out on smart vinyl, and then one by one I'm going to place these snowflakes onto my glass mug, and I'm placing the snowflake patterns one by one at the desired space. This is giving me some freedom to exactly locate what exact position I want the snowflakes to be, so they are distant equally, and they still look good from all the sides. This is such a simple project, but believe me, it looks gorgeous, and anyone would love to have a coffee mug or a hot cocoa mug like so. It is so different from regular store-bought mugs. I have curated a mini hamper for a tea lover, wherein I have taken a small basket. I have put the tea wands and the tea bags. You can also make a hot cocoa or a coffee version of this mini hamper, and I'm sure that is a great gift idea too. For DIY number 3, I'm making a beautiful ornament for my Christmas tree. And here I've taken a clear ornament and I've placed a small snowflake on top of the ornament, and I'm going to glue some small crystals. These are Swarovski crystals, and they look really pretty and they shine in all the 7 colors from all different directions. So once the top decoration of the ornament is done, then I'm going to fill the ornament with some blue color potpourri. Here it's a complete different perspective of how you would like to fill in the ornament. You can also fill in with candies, small Hershey's kisses, and some bath salts and some dried flowers. And whatever gifts you would want to make, you can just put it inside and give it to your friends and family, near your dear ones. I'm making a small bow with a thin gold ribbon, and I glued this at the top of the ornament of the Christmas tree, and also a small snowflake also on the top in white color. And this is how my third under $5 little ornament looks. For DIY number 4, I'm going to make something really interesting, and you can gift it to someone who is health conscious, someone who likes to be creative, or anyone, any of your friend. And basically it is this code that I found on Design Space and I loved it. So I'm just making it out the entire design on smart vinyl permanent in silver color. The process is basically same. It is to just weed off the excess parts, the negative parts that we don't want, and then I'm going to use a transfer tape, and I'm going to transfer the lettering portions to the transfer tape, and from that transfer tape I'm going to transfer it onto the surface, which is the next gift that I'm making a water bottle. Now this is not any simple regular water bottle. This is a customized and personalized water bottle that will remind your friend, your colleague, or your relative family member to keep themselves hydrated, and also remind them that how creative they have been and how their creative journey has been. So here I'm transferring it onto my red water bottle, and this is perfect for Christmas because of the color also, and I'm sure anyone who is creative would love this. For the next DIY, I'm making leather earrings, and for that I have taken fox leather. Now since the fox leather tends to move a lot, I'm just taping it from all the sides on my cricket mat, and then I cut it with my cricket joy. Next, I cut the same design on a felt sheet. This felt sheet has a backing and it has glue behind it. So I'm just going to peel off the paper, and I'm going to stick the leather on top of this felt, so that from both the sides, if you see, the earring looks the same. It is red color, and you don't have to see the fabric portion from the other side. So this is how the earring would look, and this felt also gives some support, some stiffness to the earring. And next I'm going to decorate this. Now initially I wanted to keep it very simple with the leather actually showing, but then finally the bling spirit in me said no, I want to make it shiny, and so I'm using rhinestones and some glitter and some sequins, and I glued them on the leather. And here I'm taking a jump ring and these earring hooks, and I'm just hooking it onto my earring like so. And my fox leather rhinestone earring is ready for Christmas. You can see how pretty it is looking. I'm just going to show you in a bit. The red stocking earring is looking gorgeous, and it shines so much, and I tried wearing it, and they look absolutely amazing. And anyone, you can gift this to anyone of any age, teenagers, small children, even grown up ladies can wear them. And I think these kind of gifts are so diversified, everyone would love to own something like this, and all under $5. Let me know which gift idea was your favorite and how you like this today's video, and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more fun DIYs. Thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.